How are you, dear student? Welcome in our online video class. You know that our government have a process to take online video class. So welcome every student in my online video class. Now I give my identity. I am Mr. Mohitul Islam, assistant teacher, Dulal Munda Secondary School, Kaliganj, Jhinjai. Dear students, now you are passing a great situation for coronavirus. Not only you but also whole world is passing a great situation by threat of coronavirus. Dear students, when you stay in your home, you must wash your hand, any kind of soap or hand sanitizer, and when you go outside, you have to use mask, and you should follow overall health and others facts. Now we discuss about our class. At first, I know you about hearing our class. Now we start our class. Please, Unit 4 and lesson Lesson 4, page number 53. If you want to understand the class clearly, at first you must know some vocabulary, because vocabulary is very useful to learn the class easily and clearly. So at first we discuss about some vocabulary. Dear students, at first I write a word communicate. The word communicate. Can you tell me what kinds of part of speech this word? Can you tell me, any student? It is verb. That means to communicate anyone. To communicate, but to connect, anyone. That means communicate. Communicate means to connect anyone, to communicate anybody. Now we discuss about vocabulary. Vast. Can you tell me what kinds of part of speech vast? It is adjective. That means huge, big, large. That means huge, big, etc. Can you make sentence with vast? We have vast property. We have vast property. Dear students, now I discuss about another word, opportunity. Opportunity. Any students, can you tell what kind of part of speech opportunity? It is noun. That means scope, advantage. That means scope, advantage. Dear students, if you want to know the passage clearly, you must read the passage soundly. Now I read the passage soundly, and you also try with me. Today there are many jobs where you need English. This is because the world has become smaller. Vast distances are shortened by speedy transports. We can talk to a person thousands of kilometers away on the phone or the internet. So we can communicate with the whole world easily. English has made this communication easier. There are many countries in the world with many languages, but communicate with them, you cannot use all the languages. So you need a common language that you can use with more or less all the people in the world. English is that a common language. You can talk to a Chinese toy maker, a French artist, an Arab ambassador, or a Korean builder in one language, English. So we can say that this passage is about necessity of learning English. English is an international language. No nation can do without it. If you take a good job or better salaries, you must know English. If you take higher education, you must know English. If you take to cross border or to communicate any kinds of business with international business firm, with international business group, you must know English. So you can say that English is very necessary. All other people, overall our country, and overall all other jobs. Dear students, now I can say you about a question. What do you need English so much? What do you need English so much? Why? English is necessary. Why you cross any kinds of border? Why English is necessary? Why you cross any kinds of border? Dear students, I give you another questions. Why English need so much? Why you get any kind of good job? It is your homework. Dear students, now we take about a vocabulary. In your textbook, page number 53, distance. Can you tell me, any students, what kinds of vocabulary, what do you mean by distance? Distance is a parts of noun. It is noun form. Can you tell me, what do you mean by distance? Distance means a vast area. Distance means a vast area. Dear students, now we can use another word, and it is our last vocabulary word, artist. Any student can you tell what kinds of part of is artist? Any student? It is noun. That means any kinds of art. Dear students, now we are no more today. We are not anyone, or we are not our English lesson in our class. No more today. Now I take some homework. Dear students, your homework, you make sentence in this with this 5 vocabulary. It is your homework. You make sentence with this 5 vocabulary. No more today. Dear students, no more today. With me in any class, and we discuss about other facts or other topics in another class. Thank you very much.